Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to hide and lock apps on iPhone iOS 18. So if your iPhone is running latest iOS 18 and now you want to lock and hide any application on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you hide and lock an application on your iPhone, what it does is it takes the application away from the app home screen as well as the app library and then add it to the hidden folder on your iPhone. So literally all iOS 18 devices have the hidden folder where hidden apps are kept on your iPhone. Now, to hide and lock any application on your iPhone, all you just need to do is locate the application you want to hide and lock, and then go ahead and press and hold it. Once you press and hold, you're going to see a that says require Face ID. Then go ahead, tap require Face ID. Once you click require Face ID, a pop will come that says require Face ID for the selected application. Then go ahead and click on hide and require Face ID. What this does is this is going to hide the application and it's going to lock the application with your Face ID. So go ahead and tap that. Then you should see a that says confirm your Face ID. Now tap hide. Once you click on the hide button, you should see the application removed from the app screen on your iPhone, and if you come to the app library, the same application will be removed from your app library. So you can choose this on all applications you want to keep a secret application on your iPhone on iOS 18, while you just hide and require Face ID for this application to be viewed. So when next you want to use any of this application, all you just need to do is go back to the app library, scroll down and click on hidden. Then you'll be prompted to confirm or verify your Face ID. And once you verify your Face ID, you'll see the application here. You can go ahead and open the application or press and hold the application like this. And then tap don't require Face ID to remove the application from the hidden folder. So that is basically how to hide and lock apps on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.